What's up? Quick video today showing you guys how I make this really simple like barbecue sauce straight from scratch. 3 minutes or less, like I said, 90-second videos. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so to get started with this barbecue sauce, the first thing I do is grab the soy sauce. I am measuring with a quarter of a cup of soy sauce and about half of that with Worcestershire sauce. After that, I'm adding ketchup, but I'm not really measuring too much. Again, I'm going off taste. So you can play with it as you rock and roll with this recipe. Also, I'm gonna add some honey. That's just because I like honey barbecue sauce. Who doesn't? After that, I'm add a little allspice, not too much because I don't want to take away from the honey, from the ketchup, and then a little bit of brown sugar as well. This is dark brown sugar, but I usually will use light brown. After that, just give it a blend. And this time I'm coming in with some garlic and some fresh ginger. Again, just gonna give this a really simple blend, not doing too much. Last thing I decided to add was some frozen peaches I found in the freezer. I came across a really good suggestion on here about using fruit and infusing it in different sauces for cooking. So I decided to just try it out. This is something I've never done, so didn't know how it would turn out, but that's what I did. Okay, and last step, I'm just transferring our sauce to a saucepan so that we can cook it. So I want to cook it on a stove on like medium low heat for about 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes or so, your sauce should look about this consistency, and this is your final product once it cooled down. And bruh, it was amazing, and everybody liked it. The end.